Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what happened, but my camera phone got shut off by itself. So consider this. I think it's a 12.5. My bad. Anyways, Butterfree, tackle. Oh, I guess Bellsprout really are that frail, huh? Frail goes down by a psychic move. Well, back to the old grind. Okay, we found ourselves a level 8 female Abra. I am really hoping this works. Okay, so far so good. Wild Abra's asleep. Alright, Butterfree, tackle. Alright. So far so good. Please let this work. Pokeball, go! Yes! We got an Abra! Abra's data was added to the Pokédex. Abra, the Psy Pokemon. Height 2'11", weight 43 pounds. Using its ability to read minds, it will sense impending danger and teleport to safety. No. Like all other Pokemon. Alright. Once we find another interesting Pokemon, well, on recording will resume. Alright, we have a level 12 Bellsprout. Okay, Butterfree, I'm counting on you this time. Don't make it faint. Butterfree Confusion. Oh, so cool. Oh, no. Please let its move come through. Go Pokeball! Alright, we got Bellsprout! Bellsprout's data was added to the Pokédex. Bellsprout, the flower Pokemon. Height 2'4", weight 8.8 pounds. Carnivorous Pokemon that traps and eats bugs. Appears to use its root feet to replenish moisture. Give a nickname to the captured Bellsprout? No. Alright. Back we go. Finally, we have a level 12 male Bellsprout. Butterfree return. Go, Ivysaur. Ivysaur. Ivysaur tackle. Ooh, that did a lot, actually. Ivysaur, sleep powder. Ivysaur. Pokeball, go! Three Pokemon down, one to go. Now for the hunt for that elusive Abra. Oh, my heart just skipped a beat right now. Alright. First, sleep powder. Should stay asleep for about 2 turns. Butterfree tackle. This is the part where we really sweat. Yes! Abra number 2 has been captured. PC, it's 1. Now to head back to the Pokemon Center. Okay, all the Pokemon. Okay, let's get our Pokemon healed up. Yeah, this episode didn't go quite according to plan. Yeah. Regardless, we got everything we needed to do done, and then some. So, join us next time for when we meet the ultimate Pokemaniac himself, Bill. Until then, this is Peter Tilton 7004 saying bye-bye for real this time. And we can only pray that my camera phone doesn't do this again.